going on, guys? We got a 2003 CRV. About to put on a bull bumper grill on the front of it. So I bought this from eBay. It's from Western, and I also pick up some brackets. I will link the description in the bottom where I got the brackets from. They both came off eBay. So we're about to put it on a 2003 CRV. Alright, guys. Okay, guys. Alright, guys. First we're gonna move this plastic thing here. Has a couple of some plastic rivets that's in there, so I just have to use this flathead screwdriver and take them out. Alright, so while I take them out, I'm going to cut you guys off for a while now because I won't be able to hold the camera while I'm doing this. Okay, guys, after you remove the plastic cover, it's going to be, the bolt's going to be exposed. This bolt right here, it's on the frame, it's on both sides, but make sure you put a jack right here in the middle, you know, because the engine is actually on it. So to make sure everything's okay, put a jack right here, you know, when you jack up the car. And yeah, you loosen these bolts. It's a 17 millimeter bolt. You're gonna use to loosen it. Alright, so as I say, it's gonna be kind of hard to break, but just use your breaker bar. You can break it, and after you use the breaker bar to break it, you just use the ratchet and you just loosen it. So I already loosened it already, so it's a very long bolt. And you get the bracket that you bought off eBay here, and you put the screw through here, but you're probably gonna need to drill the hole a little bit wider because the screw is kind of big for it. So if you have a drill, you have to do a little bit of fabricating. Alright, so let me go drill this and come back. Okay, guys, got me out my heavy drill here, and I got an half inch. We'll go a little bit bigger, but this is the biggest I have. So all I need to do is just to widen out the hole a little bit, so I get that that bolt in there. As you can see, gonna go in there. So put it in my clamp. You clamp it down. Clamp it down in there. Don't forget, guys, make sure you have your eye protection, because there's going to be a lot of splinters, gashing. Always think safety first. Alright, so you start off. And just move from side to side. It's all flush. Alright, guys, so let's get back underneath there. Okay, just give it, don't tighten it too much. Leave it a little loose so you could have some wiggle room to see if it fits. Alright, we're gonna do the other side. Okay guys, it's coming with a lot of hardware. It comes with all the hardware that you need. And the thing I don't understand about, Western, Safari light bar grill, it doesn't come with these things. It just comes just the bar by itself. So anyway, you got all the accessory you need. You got long bolts, you got short bolts, but we use the short one, and we just use the lock washer over the other washer, and to put it on there, use a 19 millimeter. Yeah, 19 millimeter socket. All right. So we're gonna get back up on there and finish the job. Yeah, tighten it up. And one more thing, guys, don't forget the bolts over here. They're not fully tight yet, so after you finish tightening this up, you go tighten big boy and tighten it up. It's actually on there, guys, but there's a little gap right here if you guys like that. But as I say, you can always change the holes. You put the holes a little far back and put more back on the thing. But it's really on there. See? It's actually on there. That's also cut right around here. Around here. Make a straight cut, because the plastic is kind of having a hard time passing this bar. Make a straight cut so it can split open. Okay guys, that's the finished product underneath there. Yeah. With all the clips in. Bar. It's very professionalized. Okay guys, that's the finished project. That's the bumper. Alright guys, you can just like and subscribe. I got more coming. Thanks for watching.